find all duplicates in an array. So initially I will explain the problem statement. So given an array of integers a of I lies between 1 to n is the size of array, so some elements appear twice and other appear once. Find all elements in a that appear twice in this array. Could you find it without extra space and big of n runtime? So here, without extra space and in a big of n runtime. So the thing is that, let's see the input array. Input array is given 4 3 2 7 8 2 3 1. So the length of this array size is 8. So if you start with index 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So we have to output an array like this 2 and this 2, yes, this 2 and this is the 3 and this 2 is repeated in an array. So we have to display a result, those elements which are duplicate, but the condition, could you do it without extra space and big of n time? So guys, what is the meaning of without extra space? The without extra space is means there is no need to use an extra space. If you consider this input array, in an input array, if you think this, that is the index 0 4 and 3, if you go to the navy method, or we can say, for if you, this is the input array, if you sort this input array, then it will first it will come 1, after that 2 2 3 3, after 4 7 and 8. So if you sort this array, and after that, after the sorting these array elements, then we can compare the both the elements. How we will compare this index 0 and this index 1, right? So index I is equal to 0 and index I plus 1, we will compare this both the elements, and after comparing these two elements, if both the elements are different, no, we will put in a array list, and we will display the repeated elements. And if you find this is 2 and 2, if you find the duplicate, then we will return these 2 and 3, which are duplicates in an array. So first method is like a sorting. Second method, we can use the hash set. Hash set has the functionality that it doesn't contain doesn't means it don't allow the duplicates, means directly the hash set contains the distinct elements. So these are the we can solve this problem statement by, first method is sorting, second method is using the hash set. So in both the methods, if you think it logically, so it runs in a big O of n time and it takes the extra space. If you think about the bubble sort also compares, means it compares adjacent elements, and as per the comparison, it swaps the elements. So it taking the in a comparison, or we can say in a swapping, also it taking the memory uses in a computation in a system. So hashing also, it takes a big of n time. So means it's taking the extra space. So we have to implement this without extra space. So for that, I will write the code and I will explain how we will implement this, right? So guys, we will use the list, okay, then we will integer, okay, integer, then we will use as a list, okay, list is equal to new, okay, new array list, okay, array list. After that we will iterate through the input array. So for we will use int I is equal to 0 less than nums dot length, okay, nums dot length, then I plus Okay, we will closely go through this. After that we will index, index is equal to, okay, int index is equal to, we will, what we do, we will math, okay, math dot absolute, okay, we will nums of I, whatever I. So here we are, what we are doing, we are whatever the, while iterating through this input array, we are going through each element, it must be absolute value. If next we will check if the index is negative, then we will convert to positive value. That's the motto of using the function math.absolute. So after that, what we will do, we will check the condition. If we will check if nums of, okay, index minus 1, index minus 1, index minus 1 is less than 0, what will happen, it will means index minus 1 means the 4, we will getting this 4, right? Index minus 1 means we are doing 4 minus 1 3, so nums of 3 is 7, right? nums of 3 is 7, and this is less than 0, not, this is not 7 is not a less than 0, means 7 number is not a negative. So so we are not adding in a list, directly we are converting this 7 element to directly we are multiplying this 7 to minus 1 in a mathematics. So and we are putting this element as minus 7. So we will check in a code. So here we will do list dot add, okay, I think ID, if it is a negative. If it is not negative, then what we will do, else we will, what we'll do, we will nums of, okay, nums of, okay, okay, nums of, nums, okay, nums of index minus 1, okay, this is equal to, we are doing minus nums of, okay, we are okay, index minus 1. So we are if this means we are, what we are doing, we are subtracting for each I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. So we are subtracting for each for iterating, means it is a big O of n, right? It is going through each index. So we are subtracting 1, 4 minus 1, then we are getting the 3. The 3 is nothing but it is the index. We are going to index, and this index we are checking, yeah, it is not less than 0, means we are converting this to minus 7, and we are keeping on a same index position in array, means we are not using the extra space here. After that, okay, here will be semicolon, and after that, okay, we will, okay, this will the condition. After that we will return a list, okay, okay, here will not come, here we will return a list, return a list, okay, return list, this. So this is the whole optimized version of this all find all duplicates in array, and the main thing is that we are using without extra space and in a big of runtime, okay. So this is the code, so we will run this code, so we will check, okay, here something is missing, okay, I am using id index in, okay, aex, then we will run this code. Okay, this is one accepted one, and we will submit this code, then we will check how it will execute, means without extra memory space, okay. So we'll check the runtime is 5 millisecond, and also the memory uses is 48.5 memory uses, and so this is the example. So guys, thank you for watching this video.